please.
Yeah.
So just before we close, if I could have your feedback, what was your experience?
Oh, I just shared what my experience. I'm going for another one. So I feel like a family
a
now.
relationship one
you.
too, but I think that too, that is our training workshop on 11th and 12th. I mean, after, but I would have loved to. Otherwise, I'm going to talk to you about the other courses, so you know that. So,
Sure.
but it was amazing. I think the kind of knowledge we gained in just a matter of 2 days, and that practice session really sort of helped us to gain more confidence. And and I think that gets edge. That is what is more important. I think it's amazing. Thank you so
I
much.
feel so good being in the student mode again. So it's so refreshing.
Perfect.
Will this relationship course come again next month? Because I can't take a leave again,
It would. I think I'll share the details with you.
August. August.
August.
Okay, fine.
But Nitin, I think you're doing a wonderful job, but I don't think anybody is doing workshops like these. I mean, I don't know. I'm not even in this field, but I'm just saying that whatever I know.
No, I vouch for it. I've been
Yeah.
since, I think 2 months or so.
It takes time to have these short workshops and to cover so much and to have a total idea about it is amazing.
Thank you.
You explain it really. I mean, you go to like a layman. You explain psychology, thoda background hai, but it's really it's just of how much we are able to practice, but it's really.
Which reminds me, sorry. So with practices, we have the option of peer coaching practice sessions that you can do with each other. Every Sunday, it will be 11 to 1 p.m., which will again be through breakout rooms. Okay. So you can always register for that. All of those are free.
There is a link for that, or
I would share the link on the group.
Yeah, just because without practice, I think nothing is.
Anyone else who would like to share their feedback, please?
So like Nitin, I said that in the relationship course, that it just gives us a very clear idea of how everything is going. So it's like a movie, and you're very clear, like this is the next step, this is the next step. So even when your client is just in the middle of the garden where he doesn't know which direction to go in, you have near about an idea that you can give him a direction, because a lot of time it happens that with your client you also get lost in that garden because there's so much for the client to say and you are there. But with sessions like this, it becomes extremely structured and clear about how to go about what to do next, what if the client is not able to speak. All that is very clear.
Perfect. So just remember, while this is structured, we are not really putting anything from our side in the client's mind. So it's what is unique about what we are doing is it's structured, but in a way it's completely client-centric. There's really no involvement of ours in the process technically.
Yeah.